Morning, Dwayne here, Dry Creek Wrangler School. I have another video that's already recorded and queued up that I was going to upload at this point, and it's talking about the difference between horses and mules. But Mama got us a treat today, and so I'm going to upload that one now and do the mule one later. As a lot of you know, we went up to Taylor Park last week and moved about 1,200 head of cattle, gathered them together, moved them to summer pasture, and Deanna went along and rode with us. And she took her phone and she took pictures and videos, and they come out really good. And so she's brought those back and she's put them together and added music to it, and it's really nice. And so I want to give you a taste of what it's like, a taste of a day in the life, if you will, of that part of it. Let you see that country. And so we're going to upload that and let you look at that. Now, just to give you an idea, you'll see a couple of the video clips in the middle where we're pushing cattle down along the river bottom, and you can see how thick it is down there. And the cattle that you see, we broke that 1,200 head herd up into like 3 or 4 different chunks, because to push 1,200 head through there would be really tough. And so just to kind of give you an idea of what's going on. And if you like it, give a shout out to Mama, because this is her. She did it, okay? And so I hope you like it.
Into the canyon with the trail far below, down to the pinyons where the sweet water flows. Axe string behind me in the yellow and light, on to the meadow where we wait for the night. Mountains in shadow, silver with age, moonlight on aspens, granite and sage. Horses graze lonesome where the outlet pours down. I roll out my blankets and I sleep on the ground. Hey. This song, dream like this lifetime as I ride along. Hey, hey, ooh, hey, hey, ooh, dee, 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 dawning, seep from the black. Listen for the bellman, dime in the pack. Shiver